Hi, good morning. My name is Nicole Bogini. I am a student with LAPU. This course is Biology 230 and today's date is September 29th, 2024. Today's presentation is a lab dissection of a chicken wing. So this is my chicken wing. This is my chicken wing. This is the shoulder joint, this is the elbow joint, this area is the lower wing. This right here is the humerus, this is the head of the humerus, this is the articular cartilage. Moving on, this is the ulna, this is the radius. The ulna can be identified as it is the bigger bone. Next we have the elbow joint as mentioned. Inside right here is the synovial fluid, and then we have the synovial membrane on the outside, that is the lining of the joint capsule. Right here is the tendon, and then this is the articular cartilage. So this is my chicken wing. So the disease I chose to discuss is gout. I am familiar with gout in our clinical setting, outpatient. It is a form of inflammatory arthritis due to high levels of uric acid. Triggers include high intake of alcohol, as well as eating seafood, and causes can be hereditary, genetics, and kidney function. Symptoms are pain and swelling at the joint, and reduced range of motion. Changes in joints due to gout is that uric crystals form in the joint space and the synovial membrane thickens while the cartilage in the joint wears away over time. In conclusion, understanding avian anatomy is important for its relevance to human health, particularly in treating diseases like gout. Thank you.